Hello, so in this video I want to share with you what I'm packing for a 6-month trip to Mexico. I'm leaving in a few days, so I'm just starting to pack and I'm just going to show you everything like laid out and what I'm taking with me, and I'm also going to show you what backpack I'm taking and everything. And one more thing just to keep in mind, there are a couple of things that might not be, obviously they might not apply to everyone, because a lot of the things I do for work is photos, and especially for Instagram on my blog. So I've got a couple of like hair accessories and like some extra dresses that might not be necessary for someone who's just traveling and not maybe making content for their job. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. You can also follow me on Instagram at marisa.voyadz, where I'll be posting about my Mexico trip. I post a lot about solo and budget travel and traveling by public transport since I don't drive. And yeah, I'll just start the video then. Okay, so I've got my backpack on now. It's the Osprey Fairview 55 litres, so it comes with a day backpack that's included in the litres. So here it is, and I'll just show you it opened up as well. I won't go into too much detail about it. I'm actually making a video for Instagram about more details about the backpack, like pictures and stuff, but this is what it looks like open. And also I love that you can put away the straps, if like for the conveyor belts and everything. Although I have travelled a lot with it and I've managed to put it on like as hand luggage, even though it is a little bit too big, but I just leave sometimes enough space for it to like squish a bit just in case they measure it. But until now, when I put the straps away and just carry it like a duffel bag, I've gone away with it, and it's only a few centimeters too big. And then the day backpack is this here, which I use for like day trips. I keep my laptop in, my electronics and everything, and that attaches in front of it. Or what I usually do is put the big backpack behind, and then I put the day backpack like this. And it's actually really comfortable. Okay, so I've got everything laid out here, so I'm just gonna start from clothes. So I've got 5 vesty tops, and then I've got a long sleeve thin top thing that kind of ties, just in case it gets like cold or windy or I have to cover up my shoulders for some reason. And I also have just plain white t-shirts, like a large, just to wear with like cycling shorts. Then I've got 5 dresses. I've got 3 just summer little dresses to wear like casual and stuff, or for going out. And then I've got 2 long dresses, again for either going out at night or for Instagram photos and things from like my blog. And then I have I'm trying to remember what. Oh yeah, so I've got 3 shorts. I've got 2 cycling ones and ones that are just like little black shorts anyway, for like hiking and walking and just being comfortable in. And I've got 1 pair of long like leggings, and I'm gonna wear the other pair on the plane. And then I've got just some floral shorts and denim shorts. So that's clothes. And then I have 3 sports bras, and in here I've got my bikinis. I've got 4 pairs of bikinis, and then I've got in this packing cube socks, bras and underwear and everything. Put that there. Okay, so moving on, I've got a soft fibre towel. It's like a travel one that dries really fast. And then I've got actually another one, but it's like even thinner material. It's really small. So this one's going to be for the beach, and this one is just going to be an extra one. And also I like to dry my hair with this because it's really soft, or if I go to a hostel or Airbnb that doesn't have like towels for hair and like having a shower and everything. Then I've got this. It's a dry bag for like keeping my phone and everything, because but maybe if I'm doing like a boat trip or like kayaking and things like that. I've got this for my phone to put around my waist, because again, when I'm hiking and walking, I like to have my phone there. Let's see. Oh, I've got resistance band for just like workouts and everything, because they're easy to pack because they're like really small and light. In here, this is a small backpack which I'm going to use mostly for the beach. I didn't want anything that's like bulky and everything, and also it's like for maybe shopping. It's just straps like this, and it's not too big, and but it would fit like a towel and like some lotion, some water, some snacks and everything, and then it just folds up back in here. I'm just gonna leave that there for now. I've got a hat. I'm probably gonna buy, once I'm there, one of like the big sun hats as well. I've got masks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 7 masks, like just different ones. So these are, I've got 2 like head accessories, like hair ties. Again, it's mostly for like photos and everything, and just to look pretty. And I also have this, which is like a flower thing. I actually got this from Rev de Cuba in Aberdeen. But anyway, so again, I thought this would be cute for photos. Mini first aid kit. Okay, and then I've got my makeup. So I just taken some like basic things. I mean, I've got some highlighter, some concealer, eyebrow powder, little sponge, some little like setting spray, and some lip gloss, and 1 red lipstick for like going out. And then I've got my little tin, which I've just got 1 necklace in here, 2 pairs of earrings, and then I've got a couple of like clasps and things for my hair. So I've got that in here. And this little pouch, I've got sanitary towels and things, a little mini sun lotion. Oh god, I know that I'll probably go and get a bigger one once I'm there, but I thought just to start me off for the first few days. I've got my makeup remover, just a little mini one from the Body Shop. It's my favourite one. I've got 1 nail varnish, just for like my toes, and then I've got my hairbrush. It's just a tangle teaser, and some extra things for my hair. So that's what I've got in here. I've got multivitamins, just to have, maybe they've got multivitamins and it's got iron in it as well. Got 2 adapter thingies for Mexico. I know that's the same with the US, so I've had these when I used to live in California. So put these here. Portable charger, and my little GoPro. I've got 1 tote bag just to have like for shopping and carrying things, or maybe I want to store something. And then I'm gonna move on to shoes, and then electronics, and I'm almost done. So I've got my walking sandals. So they're probably gonna be like my go-to for like everyday things. I just want to be comfortable. I don't actually have any like pretty sandals, but I feel like these would still go with like a little dress and shorts and everything. I'm gonna buy flip-flops when I'm there. My Converse, and these are more for like exploring cities and everything, and also again I like to wear them in the evening with my dresses, and they're quite comfortable as well. They're very comfortable actually. And then my Nikes for just more like hiking, and again just being comfortable and working out and everything. I do have my hiking boots, but I'm not taking them with me. I use them more here in Scotland for like hiking like Monroe. Okay, so for electronics and things that I need for work basically, is my laptop. I've got just a MacBook Pro, and I've got the case for it, which I'll put in there now. And in here I've just got the charger and everything. I've got with it the plug bug, I think it's called. Right now I've got the British adapter, but it comes with also one for Mexico as well. And it's also got two USB things so I can charge like my phone and camera at the same time. And I've also got headphones in here for the laptop for editing. Then I've got my journal and my just pens, because I do like write things. And here in this folder I've got my British passport and my Greek passport and some plain like A4 papers. Just again, I like to write notes when I do, like if I have a meeting or online courses and things. And then some copies of some like my birth certificate and things, just in case I need them. My camera, which is what I'm filming with, and its case. I've got this mini tripod, which is like bendy. I got this from Amazon for, I think it was like £9. So that's for when I'm just filming and things. And I also have my big tripod, which is again what I'm using right now to film, which folds up, but it is quite big, but it folds up quite small. So I'm going to take that with me because I definitely need that again for work and for filming. If I wasn't, like I used to just travel with this and it was actually quite good because I could just put it on like lamp posts and fences or even on the ground or somewhere on a rock, but since I need it for work I'm taking my big tripod as well. And here's my cable organizer. So I've got in here different cables for chargers, for like my GoPro. I've got like extra batteries for my camera and everything. And I also have this actually, which is thing for SD cards, and it goes straight to your phone, because sometimes if I'm like on the bus or somewhere that after a day trip and I don't have my laptop with me, I like to use this to transfer straight from my camera to my phone so I can start editing them or just to send them to my family or something. I've also got some extra business cards in here because I tend to meet a lot of people when I'm traveling. So yeah, that's that. Oh, and then last thing, I've got my old phone just in case. I've got also a charger which goes with it. Yeah, it's just a spare. I've got it, so just in case I lose my phone or it gets stolen or something. So I've got that. And yeah, that's it. I hope I didn't miss anything, but I'm going to put all of these things that I've just said, basically a copy of my packing list. I'm going to put it on my blog, and I'll leave the link down below in the description box. I'm going to pack everything now into the backpack so I can show you like how it is in the backpack. And then I've also got, obviously, like I showed you at the beginning, my day backpack, so I'll put everything in both of them. And yeah, just go ahead and do that. Completely forgot to mention about my packing cubes. I've just got these. They're like just Amazon like basics. So I've got a pack of 5 of those. So I usually put, like I showed you, the underwear in one, and then I've got my dresses in another one, and then another one for my shorts and tops. Yeah, so I'm just going to use these to pack as well. So this is what the backpacks look when they're packed with everything, plus I've attached them, but like I said, normally I put the one in front, but it feels very comfortable. I haven't really adjusted the straps properly yet, but yeah, so this is what I'm taking with me for 6 months in Mexico, and maybe 2 more months, 3 more months somewhere else as well. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna wear these trainers that I showed earlier at the airport, so I've just got my Converse and my walking sandals in the backpack. And yeah, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited for this trip. By the time I upload this, I'm probably going to already be in Mexico, and I'm looking forward to taking you along with me. And like I said earlier, you can find the packing list in the link below in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.